Hello everyone, and I have a great announcement today. I have just launched my brand new course, which is called Build Gardening App using SwiftUI and SwiftData. Now, if you have been following my YouTube channel, you know that I'm already publishing the videos and parts of the course on YouTube. And you will still get that. I mean, the schedule, it's going to go till like mid of May or even end of May, and you're going to get the videos. But if you want to access all the videos right now, plus some additional sections that I'll be adding, then you can purchase this course that I have on Awesome Sharp School. And the course is called Building a Complete Gardening Application using SwiftUI and SwiftData, and you will get a lot more videos. You can see it just goes on. It's around like 4.5 hour course, and I still need to add a couple of more videos. So by the time you reach that, I will already have added those videos. It's a really fun course, as you've already have watching it on YouTube. And if you're watching on YouTube, that's perfectly fine. You're going to get most of the videos anyways. All right. So you're going to get the one video a week till like, mid of May, end of May. And you're going to get a lot of videos too. But if you want to get immediate access, instant access for the course plus some additional videos, then you can check out this course. And right there in the YouTube description, you can find the link to this course. Not only the link, but you will find the coupon code, which is launch day, and you can use that coupon code to get 40% off. Now, keep that in mind that the coupon code will expire February 15th. So it will expire on February 15th. So make sure that you use it. All right. So this is a great course. You're already watching it. So if you want to purchase the whole thing plus some additional lectures, this is the course for you. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the course.